Hello everybody, I'm Jerry from Dent Repairs Malaysia Puchong. I think I'm going to take off this mask so that you can hear me better. That's better, isn't it? Alright, what I'll do is today, I'll just show you a brief outlook on how we do our operations. Now as you can see, this is not the front entrance, this is the rear entrance. Alright, when the cars come in for assessment, we will ask our customers to come to the back. And I'll show you, like, this is how it's going to look like. You come to the back, and then the cars will drive in and we'll fix the cars there. Now if you follow me, I'll show you what we do. This is my work bay with the lights on. Of course we have our own specialized when we fix the dents. Come, watch your step. Here we have, I'll explain to you about the first car. This is a BMW. This is a 3 Series. Cameraman, watch your step, yeah? This is a work area, a hazardous area. It's considered a hazardous area. Customers are advised not to be in the work area. So I think you'll get a better shot if you go the other way. Okay. Cameraman is doing very well. Okay. Now, Jacob here is preparing the dent on the right-hand rear door. Jacob, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, morning. So this is doing the dents which are caused by when the car is parked next to each other, and the next car, sometimes they carelessly open the car door and they hit on this car. So you find small dimple dents. Now some might not, they don't want to do anything about it, but most of our customers, they are perfectionists. So they want their cars to be looking really good. The small dents annoy them a lot, and they come to us. We fix the dents without the need for respray. Now you'll be surprised, there's still a lot of people who doesn't know that this kind of repairs exist. We push them up back to its original state. I'm not sure if you can spot the dent. Jacob is doing the dent here. Alright? Let's not disturb Jacob. Come, I'll show you to the other car. Here we have a Mini Cooper, and this is my friend and myself, Muhammad. Okay. Hi. So Muhammad is doing a dent on the bonnet of the Mini Cooper. This is a very, how do you say, a very usual dent on Mini Coopers. Because what happened is, you're supposed to slam the bonnet when you close, but still a lot of people do not realize it when they send the car for whatever. They would just use their hands and press it on the bonnet. And they cause a dent with their palm, right? So what we do is we just push it back up. Sometimes Mini Coopers, they have stickers. They don't want to, get another new sticker and all. So it's fast and easy, and best of all, it's green. It's economical as well, but save the earth. We don't use any toxic substance, chemicals or whatever. Right? Then, if you come over, here I have a cotton saga which I am personally fixing. We have fixed the door. I'm fixing a big dent on the quarter panel. Right? I'm still working on it, so I'm taking time off to make this video. Right? It was a bigger than palm size dent, so we will need a longer time to fix this kind of dents, but it can still be done. Right? This is where we hang our tools. Come over, watch your step. Badeka is coming, so it's on Monday. So we have already put up our flag. I'm going to show you our flags. And here is the office of Dent Repairs Malaysia. This is where the customers wait while they get their cars done. We will write the code here. Payment is, this is my favorite part. This is where the payment is made. Alright? And we have beautiful women as customers today. We are so lucky. Okay? Come, I'll show you the outside. Okay, this is the office of Dent Repairs. Actually, you come in, and then a lot of customers will ask, how does my car come in? Do you repair outside? No, definitely we don't repair the cars outside. We drive to the back, and then we'll look at it, assess it from the back. Right? Come, this is the flag. To my overseas friends, it's the Malaysian flag. They call it the Jalo Gemilang. Very proud of our country. It's flying up high. Right? Okay. Now our office is located just behind Tesco. So usually they ask, where's your office? Is there any landmark? Yes. That building over there is a hypermarket. It's called Tesco in Puchong. So what you do is, just type Dent Repairs Malaysia, or the landmark is Tesco. Okay. Now I gotta get back to work. Thank you very much for your time for watching. And if you have any inquiries, just contact us by phone or by WhatsApp. Alright? Thank you very much. Stay safe, everybody.